Hey guys, it's Tamara the Happy Herbalist here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to make your own tincture that you can give to your dad for Father's Day. I'm going to make a cognition and performance enhancing tincture using brahmi leaf, gotu kola and Siberian ginseng. So start by grabbing yourself a sterilised jar with a good screw top lid that can screw on really nice and tight. I would prefer that these herbs were ground down to a coarse powder using a mortar and pestle or maybe a blender or even a coffee grinder. I don't have that here with me today, so I'm going to pop them in straight as they are. I'm putting in about a cup of brahmi, about a cup of Siberian ginseng and about half a cup of gotu kola. I'm using the folk method to make this tincture, so you'll just need regular store-bought vodka at about 40% alcohol. Fill right to the top of the jar so all the herb is covered, and then give the jar a really good shake. See the caption for details.